Hey, Mr. Mayfield here. Today I'm going to demo something for the lab because it's too dangerous to do in the lab. We're going to be learning about metals and nonmetals and their properties and how to identify those properties and test them. So what we're going to be doing, the two properties we'll be doing are brittleness and malleability. The rest of these properties you're going to test yourself. Okay. First we're going to start with a sample of carbon. What I have here is this is lump coal. So this is pure carbon. This is not a charcoal briquette because that has other things in it, but this is pure carbon. And what we're going to do is put it on this anvil right here. I have gloves for safety and also these really super cool looking goggles. Brittleness is how easily it breaks, and malleability is how easily it can be hammered into thin sheets. So here we go. Ready, set. All right, now we're gonna, this is aluminum foil. So this is just, aluminum. We're gonna test it for the same properties. So I'm gonna put that on there and hit it. So now you can see it's been hammered into a thin sheet there. All right, now we're going to be testing an iron sample. Now the problem with iron is you can't hardly find iron that's pure because they usually add some things into iron to make it harder, and that makes it something we call steel. So this is probably some type of steel. There's lots of different kinds of steel depending on what they mix into it, but it's mostly iron, probably at least 70-80% if not more. But this is iron. The things that they add into it actually makes it harder than regular pure iron. So we're still testing for malleability and brittleness, but it's going to be a little harder because it's steel and not iron. But we're going to test it anyway. I'm going to put it right here. I got like a small sledge, 2-pound sledge. Now you can see that is kind of smashed up and a little flat compared to the rest of the nail. Okay? Okay, next thing we're going to test is a sample of lead. This is a small piece of lead here. And it's pretty thin now. It's no longer the thick sheet it was. It actually, this is in the form of a powder, but some of it has clumped together, as you can see in here. So I'm going to take some of these clumps and put them in here. And that's it. You can see it's... Okay, next sample we have here is copper. I was trying to find a copper pipe, like a little piece of one in my garage, and I don't know what happened at all. So I have some copper wire, and I've just kind of wadded it up like this. We're going to see if we can smash it down a little bit. Let's take a look. So the copper wire has been smashed and it's getting a little thin. If we continue to smash it, it'll probably get even thinner. But we're gonna stop right there for this second. Okay, this next sample is zinc. Now this is a screw right here that's been coated with zinc. So it's really not solid zinc, but the coating on it is zinc. Probably what's underneath there is steel, kind of like that nail that we looked at earlier, and they dip it in zinc. So you can see here the head is starting to flatten to test. This is a fishing weight. Now normally fishing weights are made out of lead, but as I said, lead's kind of poisonous, so this is more environmentally friendly. And this one is made out of tin. Here you have the shape of it. Okay, back up a little bit. Gotta put my gloves on. Got my goggles on. Now look at that. 1 or 2 hits and it's